They're not our friends. They will say things to win people over and then stab them in the back. They give you opposing views at the same time, or they make contradictory statements in order to appeal to two opposing sides. They will just play both sides of the fence. Like they will pretend they will some put out some like conservative talking points, and then they'll put out some like left-wing pro-BLM talking points at the same time, which is why they were promoting the BLM riots, and I realized very quickly they were raging hypocrites with an agenda. It's all a game. They will try to appeal to different sides for their own benefit, so that you support them, but they don't support you. So here's some other examples with China. Okay, so you see the double game. They're anti-white, and they lie, and the thing is, they want to be racist. It's the same game that the Jews play, and they're acting a lot like Jews in many respects, that are self-interested and only care about their own power, have shown themselves to be enemies of whites. The point is here that none of these governments are our friends. We shouldn't be promoting them or praising them or rooting for them. That's just asinine. So kind of the moral of the story is that we should be promoting white power and not be simping around for a bunch of, slant-eyed people or some weird regime out there that you think, oh, maybe this country is a little bit less Jewish controlled than the USA, so let's just shill for them and become a human meat shield for them. I know their mentality very well. I know how dishonest they will be, because all they do is try to manipulate us into their wars, into their squabbles. And you can see them try to infiltrate our networks, try to get on our channels, and get us involved in it, get us taking a side in that. No, we're not going to take a side. This is what they do. They try to get us involved. And they're just trying to manipulate us for their benefit. We're not going to become human meat shields for your side because you got a little quarrel going with the Jews over there. They want us to be meat shields against the Jews, but they'll never be meat shields against the Jews for us. It's a one-way transaction. You shield for them, but they don't shield for you. So don't support their causes. Don't promote them. Don't give them a voice on our channels. It's one of those things that kind of just creeps into our discourse, on the basis of like, we have a common enemy of the Jews. They support our enemies in our countries, and then they want to hijack you and your energy and your effort and use it for their side. So you see how it works. As I told you, it's a one-way transaction. They want to use you as a useful idiot for their agenda, and they won't support you. They will shill against you. All right? Yeah, they're not friends of white people. They don't give a fuck about white people.